Hello children, in today's class we are going to see nature of roots of a quadratic equation without actually solving it. See how we can do it. Suppose this is some quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are the real numbers and a is not 0. Remember, these are obviously real numbers. And you have studied using Sridharacharya formula. We can find the roots of this equation. X equals minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac whole upon 2a. Since you have already studied, you may remember that this plus minus sign plays the important role in getting the two roots. Yeah. Here the part b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant of given quadratic equation. Why so? Because it decides the nature of root. We denote this by discriminant or del. We call it discriminant. We denote it by delta. Sometimes capital D also is used for that. Okay. So this value of this delta, if can be greater than 0, equal to 0 or less than 0. Greater than 0 means some positive number. Then the nature of the roots of this equation will be what? Roots will be real and roots will be unequal. If delta is 0, roots will be real and equal. And if delta is less than 0, roots are not real. How you understand the number is greater than 0? It may be some positive number. How do you understand less than 0? It may be some negative number. How it is very simple. Since you have already solved the equations, you will be able to understand it very easily. First possibility is what? Delta is a number, any number which is greater than 0. Now since we are going to put the value of delta under root, this point also make it clearer. Delta is only b square minus 4ac. It is not under root b square minus 4ac. Clear? So, some value of delta it has come. That if you will substitute here, again for that positive value also two possibilities are there. Either that positive value is a perfect square or it is not a perfect square. So, if it is the value of delta, if it is a perfect square, then you can find its square root. Okay, and the square root of this number, perfect square, will be what? A rational number, right? So with this minus b, once you will add the rational number, once you will subtract the rational number, and you will divide it by 2a. So for the given values of a, b, c being real number, the answer will be real number. Real means here in this case more specifically, when b square minus 4ac is a perfect square, the roots will be in real which kind of numbers? Rational numbers. Okay, so real is more specified here, rational numbers. And because of plus and minus sign, both roots will be different, that is they will be unequal. Second case, the number which is greater than 0 is not a perfect square. Then for example the number is 5. Then you cannot find the value of root 5. So you will write minus b plus root 5 upon 2a and minus b minus root 5 upon 2a. These values will also change accordingly. Okay. So in that case again addition subtraction will give you how many roots? 2 unequal roots. And the presence of that non-perfect square number inside the radical sign, which will be a surd, that will give you two roots which are irrational. So I have explained it to you in detail. You can also write actually simply real and unequal. And in that further specification is what? If it is a perfect square number, delta is a perfect square number, roots are rational numbers. And if delta is not a perfect square number, roots are irrational. Okay. What if the value of delta is 0? Under root of 0 will be what? 0. So you add or subtract 0. It will not make any difference. And simply the roots will be what? Minus b upon 2a. For a and b being real numbers, minus b upon 2a will also be a real number. And How many roots are there? 2 roots are there, but both roots will be the equal root, minus b upon 2a simply. So roots are real and equal. If it is less than 0, that is a negative number. Square root of negative number is not a real number. So the roots will not be real. They will be imaginary roots. Let's solve one question. See the heading of the question. What it is? Find the nature of roots of the following equation without solving it. So I have done it a little. I have found the value of a is 3, b is minus 1 and c is minus 40. We need to find only the value of delta, which is b square minus 4ac, that is minus 1 square minus 4, a is 3, b is minus 40. Yeah. So minus 1 square is 1, minus and minus will be plus. 4 3s are 12, 12 into 14 is 168. When you add up, it comes as 169. So what is our first observation here? First observation is 169 is greater than 0. Therefore, roots are, delta is greater than 0 now. So, roots are real and unequal. Also, you can observe, I have left space here, 169 is a perfect square number. So, real, in that real what it will be? Rational. Okay, roots are real and unequal. Got it? Only that much you have to do. Yes, see the next example now. 2x square minus 3x plus 9 is equal to 0. On comparing with the standard form, what is the value of a here? 2, b is minus 3, c equals 9. We have to find nature of roots, finding delta, which is b square minus 4ac. Substitute the values. Minus 3 square into 4 into 2 into 9. Minus 3 square is what? 9. Minus 8 9s are 72. Okay. And this number, what it is coming? Negative 63. So negative sign indicates here that this number is smaller than 0. And if delta is smaller than 0, what kind of roots they are? They real numbers? No. Roots are not real. They are imaginary numbers. Clear? Next one. 3x square minus 9x plus 5 is equal to 0. What is a? 3. B minus 9. And c is equal to 5. Therefore, delta, which is b square minus 4ac, will give you b, that is minus 9 square minus 4 a c. What is minus 9 square? 81. Minus 4 3s are 12, 5s are 60. What is the value here? 21. So 21 is greater than 0. So our delta, conclusion is what? Delta is greater than 0. And so what is the condition? The roots are, number 1, real, number 2, unequal. Now in that real also rational or irrational, look at 21. 21 is not a perfect square number, so roots are going to be irrational. So here you will be writing, therefore roots are real. Real means what? irrational in this case, and unequal to different roots you will be having here, right? One more I will take. X square minus 30x plus 225 is equal to 0. Okay. Now here, what is the value of A? 1. B minus 30. C 225. What are we finding? Delta. What is that? B square minus 4AC. So minus 30 square minus 4 into 1 into C, that is 225. Minus 30 square, you know what it is? 900. Minus 4 5s are 22, 4 2s are 8, 9, 10, 4 2s are 8 plus 1. What is the answer? 0. So delta is equal to 0. So what kind of roots will have? We'll have roots are number 1 real and equal. I hope with these examples you have understood the concept well. What is that? Learn it by heart. Delta, if greater than 0, how do you understand? Positive number. Roots will be real and unequal. Depending on this positive value is a perfect square or not, roots will be rational or irrational. Equal to 0, roots are again real but equal roots. No plus minus changes. If it is less than 0, then we do not have real roots. That is, roots are imaginary. Solve more questions of this pattern. Thank you.